Hey guys! I know it's been quite a while since I've been really active online. Thank you for giving me so much time to relax so I can come back in full-blown shape. I don't know, the last week I have been going through different phases. I mean, I had a lot of good time being with my friends, celebrating their birthdays, just hanging around with the people or just relax. I'm not in my apartment. This is my neighbor's apartment. And I stayed here because, as you know, I rent out my apartment to Airbnb for the income mainly. And today actually no one booked, so I can go into my apartment, and I wanted to show you a little bit around what I'm doing right now and also how I used to live. I think that could be quite cool. I wanted to share with you today how much I ordered from Amazon. You know, when you travel in a van, it's always so difficult to find the right thing. When you travel and you don't know this place, to find the right things in different places, and you don't know if it's good. When you shop online, you just have everything, like all the products that you need, and you can just choose one. So the last couple of days I've been buying a lot of stuff to upgrade the van a little bit. I still don't know how I'm going to transport it because the airplane ticket is only with the backpack. So maybe I can try to, I don't know, get it through. The last week I've been staying here or in my other friend's place. I've actually still in Normand although I'm back home. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit around. It's really messy. It's a guy's apartment. He's actually, by the way, my ex-boyfriend too, but don't worry, there's nothing happening. We're just really good with another, being friends. Yeah, that's the thing, when you live so close. He just lives one apartment upstairs. And he's gone now to Hamburg because he has something to do there, so I literally have the whole apartment for myself. There's a big upgrade that I'm super excited about, and I'm just already testing it. I don't even know why I'm not using my social media status to get some stuff for free. I'm old school. I don't like to ask, I just buy it anyway. I just got the packages today and I unpacked everything, so let's have a look. This is the messy guy apartment. He's a musician. I've been sleeping here or on the couch, so we've been just, you know, Penya's just here sleeping. And this is actually, it's a really nice apartment, but it's just so messy, and yeah, it's actually really cool. And there's actually another bathroom over there, and this is all the new stuff. I'll show you. Da-da-da. So we're here now. I don't know if you can see me though. Can you see me? So guys, let's get started. Oh my god, this is probably the newest thing. It's the fridge that I never had. And I got it from Amazon. It had quite a good rating, so I got it because the most important topic for me was the watts, like how much energy it uses. I don't want a fridge that uses too much and just drains my battery. It says maximum it uses 58 watts, and on eco mode it only uses 8 watts. Oops. So it comes with this and this, both. One for the how do you call that? Zigarettenanzünder, for the cigarettes things. And this is for the normal circle. And really simply, you have cold, it's off, it's hot, and then you have eco mode or maximum mode. So I tested the eco mode because it uses less. So when you have this part here in the front, it opens, but if you put it back, because it took me 5 minutes to figure it out because I couldn't open it, I was like, I can't open. So this is kind of the lock, which is actually quite nice. It's really handy, I think. Open and close. Ooh, it's already feeling fresh inside. I just had it on for a little bit. Even in eco mode, it keeps it quite cool, but it still gives a lot of air fan. So I'm gonna test it in the van, how it's going to be. This is gonna be interesting. Then what else I got a new book, surfing book, explains surfing on a theoretical basis. Then I got a new solar charger controller, just because mine was really plastic cheapy and it just already broke. It worked, but like it was really bad. It was really cheap and broke. And then actually I got a Kindle. I don't know if you can say it. I don't want to make any ads, but yeah, I got those books where you can read. And this is the one because, you know, I thought, how practical is that you can have so many stuff to read instead of piling up all the books in a van. You know, it just takes so much storage, so I can get rid of a lot of things and just keep it all in here. And then this one also, so I got this one new again because the one in my car doesn't work with a USB stick anymore. So that's basically it. Another gimmick that I bought because I was bored, and I don't know if you know these van life pictures where they watch outdoor cinema. I saw it on Instagram or wherever. I was like, oh my god, I have to get one. So I just got a Beamer. I got a Beamer. I know it's really not that necessary. It was cheap though, it was not expensive. And I thought it could be cool on the hot summer days to pull it out, and when you meet a lot of people and you can just watch on a big screen outside. Like, wouldn't that be cool? So I just got it in case I need it. Probably not the same like my PlayStation. I used it like 2-3 times. Yeah, that's it. Maybe you want to see a little bit of my apartment just so I can show you around how I used to live. What do you think about that? Let's go. Come on. I got nothing else to do. And today I felt like filming, so let's go down. Penyo? Begin runter. It's really messy right now. Really, it is. But I cleaned already. It was even worse. So let's go down. Come, Penyo. So he just lives here, and I live there. So back in the days, we met on the staircase, and he's from Australia. That's why my English is so good. Penyo, here, come, up with you. My apartment. Let's check it out. So this is my apartment. First of all, of course, as a former fashion student, this used to be or still my shoe closet with a lot of shoes. Yeah, don't ask me. I know, I'm not really minimalist. Then this is my bedroom, my pole dance pole. And my mirrors, I have mirrors everywhere. I used to dance here, but I'm really out of shape. It's really difficult. Pole dance is really difficult. Like, it's a really good workout. And then I have my desk and my really super comfy bed. Oh my god, you don't know. Having the bed and a mattress, I was like, oh, so good. And then this is a TV. I never used to watch TV anyway. So yeah, this is how my room looks like actually. Penyo. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna show you my living room. This is my living room. Normally, before I did van life, I was renting out this room only. So I would be in my room and my Airbnb guests would be here, and we would have a lot of fun. It was always really nice to have different people from all over the world. I think this was also a big help for me being such an open person, because I would let kind of strangers right in my house, you know, and we would chat and talk. And I think this also provided me of being in contact with meeting new people on a daily basis, and that made me really open-minded. So this is my living room. Another TV and a guitar. Actually, there was a rug here. It's gone. Someone stole it, I think. I don't know. It's gone. And I remember the times, I don't know if you can see it really clear, when I was constructing all my van stuff and how I imagined how it to look. Look at it. This is my big dream book, by the way. I have that book. I've been missing it. And just all the bucket list. Another area, dining place. And a map. This is awesome. I show you. This is all the places before I started van life. The places I have traveled. All the little dots, though. I don't know if you can see it really clear. Now I could fill up so many more dots. I just don't have any left. But yeah, imagine I can fill it up one day, all of it. That would be so nice. Let's go to the bathroom. This is just really not that special, just a really normal bathroom. All clean, eh? So if you want to stay in my Airbnb, you're welcome. And this is my kitchen. Oh, my kitchen. You don't even know how much I love my kitchen. I used to cook so much in here. I have all the space that I need and everything. Yeah, I designed the kitchen with this whole thing. Really beautiful. See, and then I have my tea clock. It reminded me of Alice in Wonderland, so I got like my tea stuff in here mainly. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for really giving me the time off. I felt like I couldn't smile in the camera the last few days. I tried, but I just couldn't. I just couldn't put myself in front of the camera. I just didn't feel comfortable inside. And I will be back in my van on the 14th of July, which is in 3 days already. Then everything will continue and it's gonna be exciting. I hope a lot of different new adventures. And then we can really actually check out the fridge in the van, how it works. So I'll see you soon.